SLS recently released an interactive response item that allows HTML5 content to communicate directly with SLS. For instance, if a 2-mark question is included and the student interacts with it, the 2 marks will be recorded in SLS natively. To achieve this, you need to refer to the documentation on the specified page. It outlines the various methods for implementation. Primarily, you'll need to write some scripts and, additionally, add more scripting. However, there is a shortcut. You can download a pre-configured file and upload it to your code editor. For example, I am using the web version of VS Code. After opening the file, copy the code from line 6 to line 58. Then, go to your interactive. If you want to enable your easy JavaScript simulation (webEJS) to send scores back to SLS, click on the webEJS link, which will direct you to the relevant page. The first step is to go to the simulation properties, navigate to the Run options, and paste the copied script into the appropriate section using Ctrl+V. To allow the library xAPI to be used and add this file to webEJS, you need to click on the plus button. Make sure that you upload this file by selecting Upload and choose it so that then the file is recognized by webEJS when it is downloaded. Step 2 involves configuring the score sending functionality. For example, you can use the sendScore function followed by the points you want to send. If the button is configured to add 2 points, you would use sendScore 2. However, integrating this capability into an existing interactive may require some adjustments. For instance, you might want students to select an option from a combo box and receive 1 point for each correct selection. This requires some creative editing of the code. To demonstrate, navigate to the play button, check the onClick function, and modify it to enable score submission. To generate the necessary code, you can use an AI engine by asking a simple question. It will provide you with code that you can copy and paste. Ensure you review the logic to understand it fully. In this case, because of the interactive's complexity, certain variables, such as dilute selected and concentrated selected, need to be declared as global variables and initialized as false. After declaring these variables, the play button can now function correctly to send either 2 marks or 1 mark, depending on the logic implemented. To test this setup, upload the interactive file to SLS. In edit mode, add a page before the interactive response item, drag and drop the file, and upload it. Allow some time for the upload to complete. Ensure the maximum allowable score is configured correctly and corresponds to the scoring logic in your interactive. For instance, if the interactive includes 2 combo boxes with 1 point awarded per correct selection, the total score would be 2. Finally, preview the simulation in student mode. If everything is configured correctly, the simulation will load, and students can interact with it to earn points as designed.